Thanks,
You
Adam.
can break the plate while you're at it if you want. All right.
Are we going to use the straw? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah,
we'll
we'll use the straw. Take one.
Yeah.
One.
They're together. Ready?
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers. What is that, like a vanilla? Tastes like off.
Yeah, it does taste off. I don't know how to explain
That
it.
is tangy.
I feel like I've had something like this before. The initial part
What's the flavour? Maybe banana.
made my like, you know, the jaw area where it
Yeah.
like, because it's like sour slightly. That's just vanilla.
No, I don't like it.
Definitely no.
I don't like it.
I'm not keen on that.
No. Our next item is.
Oh no! So this is
Oh,
that's one of the ones that like
probably yeah.
literally show the camera. There's no way this would be good. There's no way. No? Oh my god!
Is that your jaw?
Yeah, it just cracked all into way. Oh my god! It's so sour.
Really sour.
Don't cry.
Usually the sour goes away.
It's really bad. It's really hard to chew because you keep getting into it. Oh.
Didn't help.
Jeez. At least I
So
haven't drunk.
elegantly. Thanks.
Thanks,
you.
Adam.
Thank you. All right, what do we have? That sounds disgusting. All right, we've got Shikai Rice Punch. Yeah, all right. Pour some in.
Something you'd have for breakfast.
Why is it so murky?
I don't know.
Is there rice in there or not?
I don't know.
No.
Did you shake? Oh, maybe you should.
Well, I meant to shake it.
Oh, who knows?
I think you meant to shake it.
All right.
Maybe.
No, no, no.
Oh, bad idea. It's all good. No, no rice.
No, literally nothing.
That's-
Oh, no! Oh, you at least have to have some of that.
All right, yeah, hold on. That's actually not terrible.
It's actually not that bad.
It's not.
It's actually okay.
It's just kind of like a
It's like you know, like cereal milk.
yes,
you've had
yes.
cereal,
It's
you
the, it's,
drink-
it's the leftover after you've eaten all the cereal and you drink the milk. That's
Yeah,
what it's like.
That's literally what it is.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Have we
It
had
says hot and
sweets up until
spicy.
now? Have we had anything savoury?
No, it's all sweets.
So sweet.
All right, we got hot and spicy prawn crackers.
1, 2, 3. Oh, okay.
I'll tell you the
No,
packaging.
no, do it the other way. It's really hard. Do it the other way.
No, I'm not doing that.
It's fine.
Oh,
Nice.
jeez. All right. As it should smell.
Is it really
like,
strong?
like bad? No, just prawn crackers smell bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
that's-
but I love them. I can already tell this is a 10. This is
Sorry.
so, it's a 10. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, that's spicy immediate.
It is very quick.
Straight to the tongue.
You will love these.
I believe ya.
Oh, it's nice.
I
Here we go. Steve, come try
You're
one.
better with spice than I am.
It's a good amount of spice.
Adam?
Nah, it's not
Is
spicy.
it a good amount of spice?
No, it's
Oh, because Adam's not great with it.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Adam's not great with spice, so this will be the test.
I can actually get. I was
It's nice.
worried I wasn't gonna get used to it, but it's actually really good.
yeah, right.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's good. When you eat more, it's actually a lot
I
spicier.
think I could handle a quarter.
I had a few. All right, another drink, and it is
I should.
bubble milk tea. Ocean bomb.
We will need cups again.
Yes, we will.
What flavour was it? It was just the bubble tea?
Yeah, it just says bubble
Like a
tea.
milk bubble
Bubble
tea.
milk tea.
Yeah.
So, hopefully it has the pearls in it.
We need something to cut the spice now. My tongue's killing.
Oh, you said shake it, didn't you?
Too late. All the boba's at the bottom now.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get all the good stuff.
Yeah, I'm just going to finish this because we're going to finish it.
Are we? Oh.
There's your pearls. Yeah, it smells
Yeah?
great. Smells great.
Alright, let's try it first.
10. It's because I drink a lot of tea. Do you drink tea?
It's pretty good. I'll give it that. I would say a 7.
Have you tried the bubble?
No, not the bottom.
The pearls.
The pearls? Tapioca?
The
Mine's
pearls.
right at the bottom.
The pearls are bad. That's so bad. Ah, yeah. More prawn crackers.
Fish.
Cuttlefish.
No, not yet! God, dude, I'm so weak.
What?
Wait.
Ridiculous.
One more time. Third time. It's so sweaty now.
Now, what's the good fun fact about cuttlefish?
Give me a fact while I'm doing this.
If you prepare cuttlefish,
One of you want to try and open this? Do you want to try and open it?
Actually, yeah, throw it back at them
Yeah.
and let them do it.
Try and open it for us. Yeah, we've loosened it for you. That's fine. Oh, he's going the cheap way. Steve,
Such a
he just ripped it. With the,
Well, he got the worst of it.
What do you guys
he got the whiff though. What is it?
Oh, warning about this one. That smells wild.
rank.
Alright, let's go.
Oh,
It might, but the prawn crackers
Yeah,
smell.
but that's got a fishy. Oh, it's got a fish. So.
cuttlefish.
It's got
It's cuttlefish.
Ready?
No,
Yeah, no.
absolutely not.
Hold on.
No, that's like 2.
Oh no, the aftertaste.
Oh,
No,
so
we'll give it back.
fishy.
No. No.
No.
No. Next. Bubble milk tea mochi.
I chose this one because I thought it'd be good.
That's probably it.
I think you chose correctly.
yeah.
I think I did. I don't know. It's so.
Oh, you got it. Yeah, redemption.
No, I teared it. I did Steven.
Oh,
He did a Steve. That's the. It's gonna be a saying now.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
But yeah, touch it.
Yes.
Yes.
They like this. People like this.
Yes. Looks good.
It's so
No,
stupid.
No.
no thanks.
Why not?
I can't eat one.
I'm not having another bite.
It's so sweet.
I don't even want to finish what's in my mouth. Right.
cameraman and studio, I don't think these two are ready for this.
Oh, it really has gone gross.
Here we go.
Oh no.
Dig
Do you want a close up of that?
Good luck.
Where's?
Was there a name for this or no?
Spicy ramen.
Is that just what it is?
No, that's what I called it.
Okay, it's spicy ramen.
Let's just do the bowls.
Dang. Yeah. Then I hear you instantly. Huh?
Water will make it less good.
Did that not hit you?
It's spicy.
What is this?
I think it just got a lot worse.
That was worse
I
than.
don't mind it though.
Are you joking right now?
So,
Those prawn crackers you said were worse. My nose is going.
I'll make sure.
I'll have one more mouthful. And then Steve wants some. I don't know.
Oh shit!
we good?
I'm good.
I think you're fine.
I'm good. It missed.
Oh, my lips.
The tongue.
The water is not helping.
It's not.
Did you want?
Hmm.
Yeah, my lips are done.
Oh, my lips.
My lips go.
I'm better than all the years at Spice.
You are.
Anyone want some milk?
Let's finish it off.
Give me. I could use it.
There's definitely
My lips.
Oh, it's so.
they weren't sesame seeds. They're quite obviously
Chili seeds.
Yeah.
chili seeds.
Thank you.
I didn't ask.
No, I don't think that's.
Hey,
I don't think that's spicy at all. I think that's good.
give me some milk.
I'm gonna finish the rest of this.
You're crazy.
Cracked.
I needed
This is
to.
about 10 for me.
Wow.
Like a spice or.
No, just.
What would you give it on spice?
Like 5.
5. Give some to Adam, please.
No. No.
Please. Please.
I can already see your eyes
It's
watering.
because we had 2 mouthfuls.
It honestly wasn't bad for like a good minute.
It's a great
or two.
flavour.
Oh, there's so much for Adam.
Did it hit you already?
sorry. I'm so sorry. It's
I
bad.
like your dance. Yeah, it's bad.
My done.
It's
This one doesn't. Oh.
It's like the one that you made.
No.
Worse, it's worse.
Way worse. I don't like these ones.
You know this.
My
He's
heart.
so hot. He's sweaty. Oh. You're making a lot of noise. Oh.